sorry, we had a network problem. We had a network problem, and that stops our video. So when you close it, you wait for 24 hours before you open it. Then, by waiting for 24 hours, you need to apply some of the blood here. You see, here is broken. You see, it is broken. It's not like the way this place is or this place is. So you apply more of the blood there, so that once it is dry, it will keep it. It will hold it strongly and firmly. That's it. Okay. Certain places, if the glove touches it, it will hold the laptop, and it cannot even open it. So let's wait for 24 hours. Let's wait for 24 hours before we open it. Thank you for watching. If you are watching, this is Righteous Technologies. You can WhatsApp us on the following numbers: 0548229846 or 0207206755, or you visit our Facebook channel. Righteous Companies Limited, or ABDUL-RASHID. The links will be left in the comment section in the video, but it will be left. So we will leave the needed links in the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice